Today, we'll be taking a look at the vent hose on this Whirlpool front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first remove this top panel. Now, in order to do so, on the back here we have 3 1/4-inch screws that have to be removed. Let's take these out. Then, to remove the top panel, you will simply push back, start to lift up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the top removed, we have clear access to our vent hose on the top. Now, the main reason why you would need to access this component is if the washing machine is leaking. A lot of times, the visual inspection will show that you might have a rip right around one of these seams here. If you do, chances are it needs to be replaced. Now, in order to replace it, you use a pair of pliers, and we're going to take off this clamp. Now, you'll notice that the tube comes off with the clamp. That's totally fine. And then what we'll want to do is pull out on the back and lift those tabs off. And then you have one piece inside of it. At this point, we can use our pliers to lift up to the top, remove the plastic, and set the hose to the side. When installing a new vent hose, first, I want you to put the clamp on the hose, and then we're going to reinstall this plastic piece. Now, it will go in straight where the flat portions are on the side. Move that, get it into place, and we'll clamp it down. Push it back a little bit farther so it's even. And then we're going to slide it under. And let's slide it on the back first. Start to slide it on, grab the 2 flanges, and pull it up over the tabs. And then we're going to start to install it here. Push it down. We will grab your clamp, compress it, and push your tube on, release. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top panel, you'll want to start it back a little ways, and you'll want the slotted portion to be on the front, the screw portion to be on the back. Drop it down and it'll stick out probably about a 1/4 inch. Drop it in, and finally, let's go ahead and reinstall the 3 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.